How's it going, everybody? It is June 17th. This is Merch by Amazon sales update. Just going to do a quick update on what's been going on in the US and across the board. This month is going slightly slower than May. I think it started like that right off the bat, and it's definitely continued. I'm not seeing any signs of it picking up. There's been a few products, when I say few, I mean two, that have been tagged by Amazon as Amazon's choice. And what I've noticed is the tag is going up and being taken down and then going up. And this happens every maybe 3 to 4 days. And I don't know if this is how it's done. I don't know if this is how Amazon's testing things out. But anyways, that's basically what's been happening. Right now, I'm sitting at 105 sales in the US, $1,896 in sales, and total royalties so far, $329. We're right at the half point of the month, so I'm not exactly sure. Like I said, if it continues this way, I'm looking at about $700 in royalties in the US. Maybe if I'm lucky, I'll squeeze a few more bucks, and then looking at around $1,000 in total. So this week, across the board, I've had 70 sales, and for the last couple months, I've been hovering at about 10 sales per day on average. Like there's been definitely a few days and weeks where this spikes. Sometimes it will go down, but basically, like this is my average. Like that, so far this month, I'm sitting at 157, as you can see, 107 in the US, 10, 14, 11, and then we have a few, where they're just 4, 9, and Spain's been the slowest, but at least I'm getting a few sales. When you start adding this up, and like I said, halfway through the month, it adds up. It adds up to a nice chunk of money, and I'm definitely not complaining. Now, comparing this to last month and looking at the same time period, I'm about 42 behind. So right as of I guess the 16th, because I'm recording this, I guess Eastern Standard Time, which is U.S. and Canada, which is where I'm originally from. Would be about 3 in the morning right now. So it's just switched, maybe 4 in the morning or something like that. So I'm looking at the first 16 days of the month, and I was sitting at 199, and right now I'm 157. So again, that's the difference, right? If you look at the royalties, $100 is kind of what I'm looking at per 3 weeks, and that's why I'm saying I think last month I squeezed $1,000 in royalties. So this month I might be looking at maybe 800 to 900, which again, I'm extremely happy about. No huge difference in some of the other marketplaces. You can see here, Germany, okay, stands out, but that's 4. I have more in the UK for the same time period, and Italy last month was a bit ahead, as well as Japan. But other than that, I mean, things are going well. I've been saying for the last 3 or 4 videos, it's nice being on vacation and actually just, making money. And that's exactly the reason that we're all in print on demand, because you don't even have to be on vacation. You could just be sitting at home. Once you get to a certain point, and money will be coming in. Like I'm staying busy. I've been uploading, as many designs and products as I can. I'm definitely not hitting my 3,000 mark, but that's okay. To me, it doesn't matter as long as I'm staying busy and actually uploading. That's it. I'm gonna leave it here. So far, very happy. I'm gonna keep you guys posted, and we'll see how the month ends. But hopefully, there's a bit of a spike, and maybe we crack last month's sales. But let me see if my internet will actually let me load this here. I had to load all the pages before I started recording because my signal isn't the best. But there it is. I think we're getting it. I just wanted to show you the monthly totals, and what's going to happen, I think, by the end of the month is I'm going to be looking at maybe if it continues like this, like I might be getting 200 sales in the US, which, you know, even though it's slowed down from the previous month, it's still going to be better than average, at least since December of 2021. So that's kind of where I am. Things are looking good. I'm not complaining. I'll talk to you guys soon.